a commenter, Truman Bender, has asked me to do a video on how to install the Pocket Crystal Lake mod. So what you want to do is go to your default, or not default, whatever internet browser you use. You want to go to download the Itch app. Once you got it downloaded, open up your file manager, go to downloads, just install it. I already have it installed, so I don't really need to do that right now. It might even mess up the one I have already installed, so I'll just open up mine real quick, or the one I have installed real quick, and I'll show you how to install the mod from there. Oops. Alright, well, it kind of keeps your position whenever you close the app, but basically you just want to type in Pocket Crystal League, go to this cogwheel here. It should pop up a new, I can actually delete this and show you how to, there you go, see? These items can also be, or also available. Just hit install. Once it's finished installing, you just want to go through the cogwheel and just click on manage. Actually, it should just launch from here. Oh yeah, okay, so instead just go to launch and you can choose which one you want to play. I doubt that was 1 week ago. I just played earlier today. But yeah, that's how you install the mod. No, you're loud. But yeah, that's how you install the mod. So if you got any more questions, please leave them in the comment sections below. If you got any game recommendations, also leave it in the comment sections below. And again, thank you all for watching.